Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on ADP HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hrnet.adp.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for ADP HR. Now click on the login button at the home screen and you will be taken into the login portal. Just enter your user ID within the user ID box that you have used while creating your account and then click on the next button. If you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on Forgot User ID as well. After clicking on Next, you will be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password and click on the Login button and you will be logged into your ADP HR account. You can also find the Forgot Password option within the password screen, which you can click on if you have forgotten your password in order to reset your credential. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your account on ADP HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.